Welcome to Creepy Nibs. I am Count Chocula, and today, into the box, it was scanned. This is the September. Yeah, oh, holy shit, it's September. It's September, everyone. I did not realize it at first. Okay, here we go. Whoop, whoop, whoop. Y'all know the drill for this one. No, you probably don't. No, there's a couple of people that watch, like, most of my videos, and that makes me feel so freaking happy inside. I don't have words. All right. That way. All right. What is this? Ooh. Oh. This is fancy. Ooh. Ink journal upgrade. Ink flight upgrade. You know what I mean. Okay, so we have... Okay. Shiny stamp ink. So there's a stamp pad and a... Oh, cool. Alright, it's one of those, like, acrylic block stamp thingies with, like, the clear jelly stamper doodle thingy. I don't know what it's called. But I know what this is for. Probably ink cataloging. And by probably, I mean, yeah, that's what it is. Alright. So it looks like we have red ink? Maybe not. Maybe that's just... Oh, okay. So I'm guessing that this is not inked? Is it not inked? I don't know. We'll see. Does it say 5-2 stamp pad? I think that means 5 by 2 inches. So nothing there. Oh my god, why am I not enlisting the help of our ever-present friend? Focus. Okay. Good lord. Who wrapped this? God. It's not who, it's what. It's done with the machine. There's the stampy pad. Oh, looks like black. Let's... Boop. Yep, black ink. That is appreciated. Initially, I thought that you would use the stamp pad with the inks that came in the box. But that is not at all the case. So cool. Finally got something black in my Pen Goodie things. Everybody probably got black. All right, we'll test this stampy thing out later. And now, oh shit, where'd I put the box? Oh, I did. Doesn't matter. Ink's right here. Okay, brain is 0% functioning right now, as it always is. But I feel like I need to say it anyway. Okay, so, yeah. Must birth the inks from their chrysalis. Okay, you get over here. Boom. Okay. Okie, what do we get? Vinta Inks. I've never heard of this brand before. Let's focus on it. This is Deep Water Blue. Mermaid Green. That looks... See the ink in there? It's very, like, loose. I don't know, is that... Looks very, like... I don't know. You know what I mean? Like, you can tell the difference between this moving around and this moving around. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. See, no, it's too full because Birmingham pens make such good samples. But yeah, this one, like, moves a lot faster than this one, which is Shitty Sepia. Didn't intend to grab that one, but that's what happened. All right. So, blah. God. This is what I get for doing videos in the daytime. We have violet / mascara. Like mascara? Mascara's cool. Blue blood. Ooh. Teal Andrada. Andrada. Whatever. Words. Sikatuna. I seek a tuna. Find me the fish. And this is Aegon Armada. God, why? I kept wanting to say, like, Armaldo, like the Pokemon. But, yeah. Cool. Alright. Alrighty. Let's do our usual thangamabab. Or do I read the pamphlet first? I'll do that after. Alright. Let's just focus solely on the colors of the inks. So I'll do this. Boop. Bleh. 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 Okay. Done. Get into the thing. Okay. Ochre. Dokie. I need to stop saying that. It makes me sound all like weirdly Midwestern. Alright. First up. Deep Water Blue. I cannot wait to be done with these damnable wooden stick Q-tips. Okay. Let's go. What? What? Do the thing. Thank you. Okay. Oop. It's an interesting teal. Again, camera is not showing it. Maybe that. No, it's a little... Why do I even try? Why do I even try? Okay. Let's do the second layer. This seems to be pretty thin. Probably shades very well. We will find out eventually. Okay, next up. Mermaid green. The green of the maid who is Mer. Oh. Okay. Can barely see it. This exposure is too much. I need to not set it so high. But this is gorgeous. Yes. It's like a green, but also a very pale, like a pastel-y gray green. I like that quite a bit. Here we have Violet / Mascara. I gotta find out what these names are all about. I'm not zoomed in. It's too far. Okay. I am digging these inks so far. I really like those, like, light ultra shaders. And this is probably my favorite shade of purple. I am really digging this. There you go. There you can actually see it. Okay, those two, definitely excited to swatch. Blue blood. Like a horseshoe crab. Boom. Whoa! Sorry. It was just so surprising after the last two. Look at that. This blue is fucking blue. It's probably the bluest ink that I own. So that's cool. I can see red sheen on that swatch. Look at that. That does not happen. It doesn't happen with these labels. I never ever see sheen ever. But this one sheens on this paper Avery label. That's amazing. We have Teal Andreda. Okay. Ooh, this one also looks like it's going to be an ultra saturated beast monster. Oh my god, that is a very pretty green. I don't know why they called it teal, but look at that. Good lord. Yes. Yes. Yes, I'm here for it. Okay. Move along. Okay. And here we have Sika Tuna. Apologies. Well, I don't know why I'm apologizing for. I'm going to acknowledge the wound on the back of my hand so that I don't feel as bad about it. Okay. This looks like a beautiful red. Whoa, why am I out of focus? Why am I so out of focus? Okay. Is that better? Better. All right. Yes. 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 That is amazing. It's like rusty, but very also red. It's a nice red. Again, the camera is making it way brighter than it is in person, but this is, oh my god, it's amazing. It's a very bloody red. Yes. Cool. I am really, 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 really digging this box. Alright, last one is Aegean Armada, or Aegean? I don't know. It's AE, so it's probably E. Whoa, my foot's shaking. Oh my god, it's a gray. Oh my god, it's a gray. I love gray. Gray inks are my favorite. This has a bit of a blue hue. But that's really, really pretty. That's really pretty. Alright, so that was those. Let us read about them. Oh, wait, was there no paper this month? Did I dropped it. I'm an idiot. Okay, see, I thought that this was like Ink Journal's new like pamphlet system instead of the paper, but it's not. It's a postcard. It talks about inks on pastels and carnivals. Okay, that makes sense. Pastel. Alright, first let's look at the ink bottle clear stamp with acrylic block. Yeah, it's for cataloging ink samples. I meant to say that earlier, but I didn't. Yeah, it's just like how to use it. So, yeah. Alright. Let's get to good part. The good part. Alright. Ahem. I guess they're new. Established last year. Vinta Inks of the Philippines is a newcomer to the fountain pen ink scene. All their inks are handmade, meticulously mixed with the finest ingredients to make your handwriting shine. Each bottle sold, and we bought many bottles to serve this flight, donates 25 in Filipino currency to Teach for the Philippines, Incorporated, to provide access to quality education for all Filipino children. Hooray, making people smarter. Oh, okay, so all of them don't have their, like, fancy name on the side, just some of them, because it fit on the thing. Take a dip in this placid, dusky pastel blue ink with noticeable shading. Mascara. Use a broad or stub nib to see the blue undertones of this pale violet ink. Yes. Alright, next one is Armada. Where's Armada? There we go. Aegean Armada. A complex cool gray color with green, blue, and purple undertones. That is accurate. Next up, Blue Blood. Dugong Buka. That's probably a butchered pronunciation, but I know dugong is a kind of water mammal in the cold. Prepare for extreme violet sheen with this rich royal blue ink. Okay, enough rambling about stupid things. What? That's not the next one. Next one is Sika Tuna. This saturated red ink flashes a golden green sheen. I could see that on the label, actually. It's like that, Rouge Hematite from Jehobon. Next up, Mermaid Green, Sirena. Use a wet writing broad stub or flex nib to bring out the green, brown, and pink undertones of this undersaturated color. I can kind of see where they're going with that. Yeah. gorge. Wah! 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 Okay. There's the tail. I don't see any sheen with this guy on the label. Oh, maybe. Maybe. It's kind of there. Catches the light a little bit there. Got it? No, whatever. It doesn't matter. Still pretty. Alright, so that's those. That's the thing, this, that, and the other thing, and stuff. And I think I'm done. Because I can show the stamp in the swatchy video later. Alright, have fun. I had fun. I hope you had fun. This was fun. Continue to have fun. And watch the Dark Crystal Age of Resistance because it's amazing. Bye.